The digital world is constantly evolving, presenting new opportunities and challenges for businesses every year. As we step into 2024, the landscape of online sales is no exception, with several groundbreaking trends poised to redefine how companies interact with customers. Understanding these trends is crucial for businesses aiming to stay competitive and capitalize on the latest technological advancements. This essay will explore some of the top online sales trends for 2024, including AI-driven personal shopping, social commerce, and voice search optimization. Each of these trends offers unique advantages and could potentially transform the e-commerce landscape. By understanding and implementing the upcoming trends, companies can not only meet but exceed customer expectations, thereby securing their loyalty and boosting sales. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has been at the forefront of technological innovations for several years, and its impact on online sales is profound. AI-driven personal shopping is a significant trend, offering a tailored shopping experience. This technology leverages data and machine learning algorithms, making personalized recommendations. AI personal shoppers anticipate customer needs, improving user experience and increasing conversions. As AI evolves, its potential to revolutionize digital shopping is limitless. Social media platforms have transformed into powerful sales channels, a trend known as social commerce. In 2024, this trend is set to grow further, with brands leveraging Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. E-commerce functionalities make it easier to shop without leaving the app, providing a seamless shopping experience. Social commerce blends social interaction with consumer behavior. Users see products in action through live streams, read reviews, and make purchases within the platform. Businesses can build stronger relationships and increase brand loyalty. Social commerce allows for targeted advertising and real-time feedback. It's a crucial trend for businesses to capitalize on in 2024. Section 4. Voice search optimization. Speaking the language of convenience. Voice search technology has dramatically altered how consumers access information and make purchases online. With the increasing popularity of virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple Siri, optimizing for voice search is becoming a critical aspect of online marketing strategies in 2024. The key to successful voice search optimization lies in understanding natural language patterns and focusing on conversational keywords. Businesses need to adapt their SEO strategies to accommodate these differences, ensuring their content is easily discoverable through voice search. Moreover, voice search optimization also requires a focus on local SEO, as many voice searches are for local information and services. Integrating voice search capabilities into online sales platforms can enhance the customer experience, making it easier for users to find and purchase products using voice commands. By embracing this trend, companies can provide a more accessible and efficient shopping experience, appealing to a broader audience in 2024. Section 5. Actionable tips for leveraging new sales trends. To effectively capitalize on the new online sales trends in 2024, businesses need to implement strategic and practical approaches. First and foremost, investing in AI technology is crucial for staying ahead in the competitive digital marketplace. Companies should explore AI solutions that can automate customer service, personalize shopping experiences, and analyze consumer data for better decision-making. Secondly, embracing social commerce requires a strong presence on relevant social media platforms. Businesses should focus on creating engaging content that resonates with their target audience and incorporates direct shopping links. Additionally, optimizing for voice search should not be overlooked. Updating website content to include more conversational language and ensuring that all product information is voice search friendly can greatly improve a company's SEO performance. Section 6. Conclusion: Embracing change for future success. In conclusion, navigating the digital sales landscape in 2024 requires businesses to be adaptable, innovative, and proactive. The trends of AI-driven personal shopping, social commerce, and voice search optimization represent just a few avenues through which companies can enhance their online sales strategies. By understanding and implementing these trends, businesses can provide exceptional customer experiences, increase their market reach, and boost their sales. Embracing these changes not only benefits companies in the short term, but also sets them up for long-term success. Stay curious, Stay adaptable and continue to innovate. Your journey through the digital landscape is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless.